Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Do you ever feel invisible, like your ideas, your time, and even your presence just slide under the radar? You try to speak up, take action, or make a change, but nothing seems to stick. You start doubting yourself, thinking, am I not good enough? Why can't I just be confident? Here's the truth. Confident isn't about being loud, flashy, or perfect. Confidence is about knowing your worth and moving in alignment with your purpose. Once you act from that place, confidence grows naturally. Did you know a survey by the American Psychological Association found that over 80% of adults report struggling with self-confidence at work or in social situations? You are not alone in this struggle. In this video, I'll show you how to build self-confidence from zero, step by step, in a way you can start today. I'm Yusuf, and let's get into it. Step number 1, start with small actions that matter. Confidence built in tiny, consistent actions. It doesn't appear overnight, and it isn't about grand gestures. Start by taking one small action each day that pushes you slightly out of your comfort zone. 3 things you could do. Speak up in a meeting, even if it's just one comment. Share an idea you've been holding back. Finish a task you've been avoiding. Each small win tells your brain, I am capable, I matter, my voice counts. Over time, these actions compound into real self-belief. For example, imagine you're at a social event. You feel nervous. You feel nervous to introduce yourself. Instead of staying silent, you walk up to someone and start a conversation. That's one act. Simple, small, already signals to yourself and others, I can do this. Step number 2, align your actions with your purpose. Confidence skyrockets when your actions align with your life's purpose. Acting without clarity feels empty, even if it's externally people admire you. Ask yourself, what energizes me? What could I do all day without noticing time passing? Your purpose doesn't have to be some grand destiny. It could be creating, helping others, solving problems, or learning new skills. When your actions match your purpose, authenticity shines and people naturally respect it. Consider someone who volunteers, helps others consistently, or teaches a skill. Their confidence isn't loud, but it's noticeable. People trust them, seek their opinions, and respect their input. That's the power of purposeful action. Step 3, reframe fear and failure. Fear is one of the biggest obstacles to confidence. Fear of failure, judgment, or rejection. But here's the reality. Failure doesn't mean you're not enough. It's feedback, pure and simple. Instead of avoiding failure, lean into it. Every time you take a risk, try something new or put yourself out there. You're stretching your capacity. For instance, sending a project or idea, even if you're unsure if its reception might feel scary. But when you see that the world doesn't collapse and people respond, even imperfectly, you might realize, I can handle this, I can learn and grow. This mindset shift, treating fear and failure as growth opportunity, creates resilience, and resilience is the backbone of self-confidence. Step 4, surround yourself with growth energy. Confidence is contagious. Being around people who uplift you, challenge you in a positive way, and inspire action amplifies your own self-belief. If you constantly hear negative comments or spend time with people who doubt themselves or others, your confidence will struggle. Seek mental friends and communities who celebrate progress, not just outcomes. Push you to act, not just talk. Learning and self-respect. Even watching someone else take action can inspire you to act. Growth energy fuels confidence. Step 5. Boost self-worth from within. Your confidence grows when you respect yourself first. Self-worth isn't something you wait to earn from others. It's something you cultivate. Recognize your strengths. Write them down. Reflect daily. Stop people pleasing. Saying no is a form of self-respect. Prioritize yourself. When your mind and body feel nourished, you naturally feel capable. When you value yourself, the world mirrors you. If you start noticing how others respond differently to your presence, your words, and your energy. Step 6. Trust the process and celebrate progress. Confidence is a journey, not a destination. Small, consistent steps repeated daily are what create lasting self-belief. Take a moment each day to reflect. What did I do today that pushed me forward? How did I honor myself and my purpose? Where did I face fear and act anyway? Celebrate those wins. Internalize them. Your brain begins to expect success, and that expectation transforms into natural confidence. Start today. Take one meaningful step that stretches you. Speak up, act intentionally, honor your value, and pursue your purpose relentlessly. If you commit to this, your confidence will grow faster than you think, and your life will follow. Hit like, subscribe, and comment below. What's one small action you're taking today to build your confidence? Let's grow together. I'm Yusuf, and I'll see you in the next video.